Your computer has two main brains. One is really good at handling a few complex tasks. The other is built to handle thousands of simple tasks at the same time. That's the difference between a CPU and a GPU. And without both of them, gaming, AI, and even everyday apps wouldn't work the same way. So, what exactly is a CPU? And what does a GPU actually do? Let's break it down in a simple way. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is basically the main brain of your computer. It handles general tasks like running apps, opening files, browser tabs, game logic, system operations. Think of the CPU like a very smart all-rounder worker. It's designed to quickly handle complex instructions one at a time or in small groups. That's why CPUs usually have a smaller number of powerful cores, like 4, 8, or 16. The GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, works very differently. Instead of a few powerful cores, it has thousands of smaller cores. Why? Because graphics requires doing the same type of calculations over and over for millions of pixels. In a game, every frame includes lighting, shadows, textures, reflections, particles. All of that needs to be calculated at the same time. That's where the GPU shines. Here's a simple way to understand it. A CPU is like a master chef who can cook any dish perfectly. A GPU is like thousands of fast workers making the same food at the same time. The chef is flexible. The workers are fast at repetition. That's the key difference. In games, the CPU handles things like enemy AI, physics, player input, game rules. Meanwhile, the GPU handles everything you actually see on screen. So if your GPU is weak, your game looks bad or runs low FPS. But if your CPU is weak, the game can feel slow or unresponsive. That's why both matter. GPUs aren't just for gaming anymore. They are also extremely important for AI and machine learning. That's because AI needs to do massive amounts of calculations at the same time. This is exactly what GPUs are designed for. That's one of the reasons companies like Nvidia became so important in modern computing. So to sum it up, the CPU is the brain that handles complex decisions. The GPU is the engine that handles massive parallel work. They are not competitors, they work together. And that's what makes modern computers powerful. If you enjoyed this simple breakdown, consider subscribing for more tech explained in an easy way. Thanks for watching.